voice whispered to the shore. And in this quiet piece of heaven, I couldn't ask for anything more. Under these island stars tonight, we're wrapped in moon and firelight. Just you and me beside the sea, where love feels endless and free. The world can't wait till morning comes, for now our hearts beat as one. Under these island stars so bright, I'm right where I belong tonight. We lay together on the shoreline, counting constellations in the sky. Your laughter floating through the warm night air, as shooting stars go drifting by. The ocean sings its ancient melody, while the heavens sparkle overhead. And every star above is witness to the promises we've softly said. Under these island stars tonight, we're wrapped in moon and firelight. Just you and me